So I reckon we're about 3/4 of the way through our hike. We're just crossing a bridge at the moment, an old bridge. It's pretty cool. They've built a new one for the vehicles and stuff, but this is still for the hikers. And yeah, crazy views from up here. And this side too, actually. Whoa. Yeah, it's been an amazing hike so far. We've probably, hang on, how long? What time is it? It's 12:30, so we've been gone for 3 hours. Yeah. How are you enjoying it, Laura?
Yeah, it's great.
Yeah?
Amazing views.
Excellent. Yeah, so we'll carry on. I reckon we've got about another hour or so, maybe a little bit more, but it's all good. Actually, I think we've got a fair bit more, to be honest. I think we've got at least 2 hours, maybe an hour to the suspension bridge, and yeah, another hour at least after that. So we'll keep plugging on. I'm looking forward to lunch when we get back to our camper van. Yeah. Well, we're still at it. Still on our hike. Yeah, we're actually hiking along this mountainside road at the moment. It's really cool. Heaps of tunnels and sheer cliff faces, and yeah, it's single lane, so the cars are having a bit of trouble driving around, but it's all good. And probably about, I'd say another, oh geez, I don't really even know, maybe another hour until we hit the suspension bridge, and then probably another hour after that to get back to the camper van. Lovely old Swiss couple. And yeah, at this stage we are both really looking forward to lunch and a coffee. But the weather has been top notch. It was sunny a bit earlier, not so much now, at least not on this side of the mountain, but it's not cold and it's not windy and it's not raining, so that's a total thumbs up from me. So this is the road we're walking along, and these are the views we get along the walk. Just at a little lookout here at the moment. Yeah. Alright, so we've just done a big trek down quite a steep descent, and now we're kind of at the bottom of the gorge here, not too far off it, as you could see. Water's flowing pretty quickly here. Train tracks on the other side. But apparently the suspension bridge is not too far from here. So unfortunately I was kind of hoping it would be like way up high in the gorge. But it's looking like it's way down low in the gorge. But people say it's pretty cool, so let's stay positive here, right? The only problem is, now that we've come down so far, our camper van's parked on the other side of that hill over there, so that means that we have to climb all the way up. Alright, to the bridge. Okay people, here's the suspension bridge. The suspense is over. Here we are. That's pretty cool. Actually a pretty cool bridge. So just on the other side of the suspension bridge is a train station, and I think by the looks of it, it has a little restaurant here, so we're going to grab ourselves a little coffee and have ourselves a little bit of a rest. Have a go at this spider. It puts our daddy longlegs to shame. Look at the size of him. Off he goes. Okay, so we're on the home stretch now, so maybe half an hour to go until we're back at the camper van. It's 3:30 now and we started at 9:30, so we've been trekking for about 6 hours, a couple of breaks in between, but it's still getting, I just saw this, still getting amazing views. This mountain over here now, still with the clouds all around it. But yeah, we've pretty much decided, because it's getting a bit late and because the hike has gone for about 6 hours now. We, although it's been absolutely amazing, we are pretty knackered. Definitely looking forward to lunch, but we have decided that tonight we're gonna stay in our camp spot because we quite like it. We didn't get bothered last night, even though there's a no camping sign there. But yeah, so no Liechtenstein today, but tomorrow we'll hit up Liechtenstein, back into Europe, because as Laura pointed out, Switzerland is not a part of Europe. They want to stay neutral or something, right?
Yeah.
Something like that. Anyway, yeah, so I'll see you back at the camper van. Here we are, folks, we're back at the van. Laura thinks it was a race. Okay, you win.